Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing like a mini unboxing of the items that I have in this package right here. Now I did share that one of these items I was getting in from the Pride collection. It finally came in yesterday, so I'm going to quickly unbox the item right here. Now this is the zip card case. Now I shared that I did purchase the attachment card case, and if you check out my last Pride haul video, I showed that in that video, and I was kind of unsure if I needed this one as well. So I do have it, and I wanted to show you all what this is. I'm not going to unwrap it too much, but this one is the, well, I guess I am unwrapping it. Alright you guys, there it is. This little card case here, and it has the little zip part here. I actually already have this same card holder in all black leather, and I think the one that's the attachment card holder looks a lot better than this one, so I will be returning this one, you guys. And also, I don't know if you can see that, but this has that kind of I don't know what this is, that dark, that almost black type of hardware. I'm not a fan of that, and it does not match like the gold on my bum bag, which is what I was hoping to also use these for. And so this one is going back. I wanted to quickly show this one to you all real quick. But the main reason I am doing this unboxing is I have the iPhone XS still in good condition, not looking to upgrade this phone if I don't have to. But I saw on Coach's website they had a phone case, and I have bought like 2 already from the website, and they were advertising them as the XS, but they did not fit. And so this one, I finally got it in the mail. It's right here. It's the little cherries. I don't even know what this is called. I don't even know if it had a name to it, but it's supposed to be for the XS and the XR. This was 20 bucks on the website. It was on sale. So I think I paid like $20.89 total for it. So cute. It does look a bit big, but considering my old phone case, I showed this in my last video, it has this, it's a Kate Spade case, and yeah, casemate case with some pearl detail on it. Very heavy duty. This thing is heavy. Like when I add this to my phone, it has so much weight to it, and I love that I haven't had any issues with it, especially with my phone like cracking or falling or anything. This is how the phone looks on this little phone piece. Here's my phone without the case. Some of my items, like my Nolita 15, I usually have to carry my phone without the case. This will fit in there without a case, but wanted to get that. And look you guys, it doesn't fit. What is going on? Oh, that's a fail. It doesn't even fit in here. What is this for? Oh no. Oh man, you guys, it doesn't even fit. This thing says it's for the XS, and it's not. I think this is for the XR because my phone does not fit in this. So this will need to go back. But otherwise, it's so cute. Look, I don't know if you can see that. See that gap right there? It doesn't even fit. That's alright. Look at that. That is so cute. Alright, well you guys, that's it for this quick video. If you have any questions about this phone case, definitely leave it down below. This is the ultimate fail and will get returned. Alright you guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.